In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic out-of-office replies in Microsoft Outlook. This is a handy feature that lets you inform people when you're unavailable and when they can expect a response. So, whether you're heading on vacation or unable to check your messages for a while, setting up an out-of-office reply can help manage expectations and maintain communication with your contacts seamlessly. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow. First, you'll want to log in to your Outlook account. Make sure you're using the web version for this tutorial, as the interface may slightly differ from desktop applications. Once you're logged in, take a look at the upper right corner of your screen, where you'll spot the Settings gear icon. Go ahead and give that a click. This will open up a menu with a variety of settings you can configure for your account. Now, from the menu options, navigate to Account, and then make your way to Automatic Replies. This is the section where you can set up and customize your auto-reply messages. Once you're there, the next step is simple. Turn on automatic replies. That's the crucial toggle that activates the whole process, so don't miss it. After activating automatic replies, you'll have the option to set both a start date and an end date for your auto-replies. While this is optional, it's a super useful feature if you know the specific time frame of your absence. By defining these dates, you ensure that your contacts receive replies precisely when needed without having to manually enable or disable the feature. Next comes the part where you get to personalize your message. Think of what you'd like your contacts to know. Information might include the duration of your absence and an alternative contact method if they require immediate assistance. Keep it concise yet informative. You also have the option to limit replies to just your contacts. This is particularly helpful to avoid sending unnecessary notifications to unwanted or random emails. To enable this, simply check the box that says Send replies only to contacts. Remember, this step is optional, so use it based on your preferences. Finally, after you've set everything up to your liking, make sure to click the Save button. It's easy to overlook this final step, but saving your settings is essential to ensure all your adjustments are applied. And with that, you're all set. Setting up automatic out-of-office replies in Outlook is a simple process that can make a huge difference in how you manage communication while you're away. It ensures that you keep your professionalism intact and keep everyone informed without needing to constantly update your email settings manually. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or leave a comment. Enjoy your time away, knowing your emails are taken care of.